Hey there, DIY lovers! Welcome to my channel. I'm Della, the owner of a small business specializing in DIY materials and handmade jewelry. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just getting started, you've come to the right place. On this channel, I will be sharing easy to follow tutorials on jewelry making, along with tips and tricks to help you unleash your creativity. So, if you are ready to dive into the world of DIY and creative beautiful jewelry piece from scratch, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's get crafting! Here are the materials that you see in the tutorial video. Everything you can find it in my material shop, that is the Shopify shop, online shop. If you feel that it's hard for you to make the jewelry by yourself, okay, you can go to my Etsy shop to buy the ready-made jewelries. You can find the shop address on the right corner. Thank you for your nice support.